model, 2018 Citroen Relay Boxer 35L3 BlueHDi 130 6-speed Luton box van, tail, lift, chassis, cab. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 215270. Engine, 1997 cc/dw10 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Boost pipe is leaking, it's the one that comes off the bottom of the turbo to the intercooler. Simple straightforward repair. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. The engine, clutch and gearbox and turbo are perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.